สวัสดีค่ะ
Hello, Swaddy Cup. No, thank you. No, thank you. A lot of stuff going on, mate. A lot of stuff. And laundry places to get you going. Keep it going through the night.
Sexy lady.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video here in Hua Hin on the main road, heading down towards the beach road. Go for a little walk down there. Thanks for joining me on this little walk. It's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. 28 degrees, 29 degrees. Humidity is up there. So let's take a look around, see what we can find today. HOC, House of Croissants. Had breakfast there one day, beautiful. Pricey, Western prices, but it was worth it because it's bloody good. Go there if you're ever in town, really nice. Just heading down towards the beach road now. Geez, not many people around. What's today? Wednesday? Tuesday? No, Wednesday. Oh, God knows, who knows what day it is. But anyway, let's keep walking. Get past all these girls here. Don't get hassled, that's good. 7-Eleven on the corner there, if you need one. Straight down there is the beach, or one of the entrances to the beach. There's not a lot. You can also get tuk-tuks as well from there. It's a good corner spot. Coming up to an Italian restaurant, I've eaten there once before too. It wasn't bad, but it was alright. It was alright. Mate, the streets are deserted.
Where is everyone, guy?
Wowee. Swaddy Cup. Hello, Swaddy Cup. So this is the beach road. Hilton Hotel's just up here on the right. Not a bad place, haven't stayed there though. Hello, Swaddy Cup. There's a local broccoli shop, if anyone wants to know. Yeah, see, this restaurant usually gets packed out up here. Always a lot of people around there. What's it called? I don't even know what it's called. My Thai restaurant. Heaps of people there. And it'll get busier and busier throughout the night. There's the Hilton, as you can see. Too expensive for my taste. Be a good view from up there though. I think you can go to the rooftop there. I think there's a bar or something, and you can go and it's a great view from up there. Absolutely great. For a walk down here, shall we? A lot of massage bars, restaurants and laundry places to get you going. Just keep you going through the night.
Sexy lady.
What?
Hello, Swaddy Cup. How are you? Good? Hello. Hello. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Come on, bar. That looks good. Looks very good. Hello, Swaddy Cup. Buckley's Bar here on the corner. Pretty cool spot. And yeah, I'll go down here, have a look at Woody's Bar out the front. That's the Sam bar. A lot of stuff going on, mate. A lot of stuff. There goes the Thai music pumping away. D&G bar. There is absolutely no one around at the moment. Very quiet. Very quiet. Sweaty cup. Very quiet. Hello. Oh, Panama bar. A couple of people eating in there, that's about it. Billabong bar looks good. Looks very good. What's this one? Strong bar. It's not even open. A couple of little kitties in there. That's about it. Prime Steakhouse. Looks alright. Looks pretty fancy. Happy Hour Beer House. Underneath the Hilton. Totally empty. No one there. Wow. All massage joints, nail joints, food preparing. There's Bintabat down there. You can see it down there, that's sweet Bintabat. The sun's really not liking me at the moment. Got to come from the other way. Don't worry guys, I'll get down there as well. Don't you worry about that. Look at the Hilton, man. She's pretty posh. Pretty posh, I must say. Don't know how much it costs though. Wouldn't want to stay there. Italian restaurant. There's a few Italian restaurants that I've seen around popping up. Quite a few. Hello, Sweaty Cup. Ooh la la. Little boutique shop. Indian Hut restaurant and bar. Sweaty Cup. No, don't want a suit, mate. Hello, Sweaty Cup. No, thank you. No, thank you. Hello, Sweaty Cup. No, thank you.
What's so funny?
No, thank you. Plenty of massage joints along here. Now this spot down here is a fairly new building. It was here last time I was here, but a lot of the shops weren't open in it. So you got overboard there. What's that, like surf gear and stuff, I presume? Looks like it is anyway. So ice cream shop, gelateria. Oh, that looks nice and refreshing. Stop thinking, start drinking. Gotha. I think that's a pretty posh joint. Oyster bar. Gotha Oyster bar. Looks posh, doesn't it? Ham from Spain. French cheese. You name it, they've got it. Seaside restaurant, food and drink, breakfast. Down that way, okay. So I'm at that junction. Have to go this way, I suppose. Yep. Sun's coming down. Sweaty Cup. A lot of tailor suits shops around here. Oh, looks like a nice restaurant. Orchards. Looks nice. Another quiet street. Another broccoli shop. Laundry, wash and iron, 90 baht per kilo. It's not bad. Not bad. still can't believe I met Vlogging a Dead Horse, man. God, that was funny. We had a great night that night in Bangkok. He was awesome. Really down to earth dude. He was fantastic. Anyway, back to the walk. That's the seafood. I think that's the pier. Yeah, it is. Seafood and pier. Can I walk down there? I don't know. Might walk this way, actually. No, we'll go down here.
Make up your mind!
There's Chale seafood. Haven't eaten there before, so I'm not too sure about that. I think there's a few more bars and stuff down here on the corner on the left from memory. Alright, where are we now? I'm just trying to remember. I was here 6 months ago. Brasserie de Paris, fine dining and sea view. Looks alright. Nice colours. That looks good. Yeah, that's right. There's a whole heap of bars down here, I think, on the left. See, there's the view of the ocean just there. You're not far from the beach at all. Beautiful. See, all these restaurants and bars will get busier as the night goes on. As I said, it's only about, what, 5 o'clock-ish, I suppose. So people are just starting to get ready and go out and have a look around. Another restaurant down there. Seafood. Oh, that looks alright, doesn't it? That looks pretty cool. Let's have a look down here. Looks very nice. There's the kitchen in there. Oh wow, this looks very nice. What is this place? What a beautiful view. This looks nice. Wow. Hello, sweaty carp. I just feel. Not yet, not yet. Later. Do I have to book? Or just come to eat? Do you have to make reservation or not?
What?
Reservation or to eat or not? Just come.
Come 9 tonight.
Yeah, okay. What time close?
Code 22.
Ah, okay. Very late. Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Okay. I get my wife, I come back.
Yeah, yeah.
Kopun ka.
What?
Thank you.
Yeah, you speak what?
Okay, down here. Kopun ka. That's a nice looking restaurant. I'll have to go check that out. Nice sea view. Looks very nice. That could be the boss. Birds. Very nice. Oh. Very nice. Alright guys, well, I might leave that here. Until the next one, I hope you enjoyed the little walk. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hit the like button because that's what really helps me out a lot. Hitting that like button, guys. Please help. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye for now.